So here we are on the banks of the Chobe River at Mowana Safari Lodge. We were commissioned to do a large-scale artwork for the Serondella restaurant, about 13 meters long, 3 meters high. I decided to do a short video of this because we cannot photograph it adequately because of the scale, and it also doesn't give enough sense of the impression or the presence the work has. Although the colors are very soft and very gentle, it's warm and inviting, full of contrasting textures. So this being both a subtractive and additive process, subtractive in the sense that the Mowana trees were actually removed out of the surface of the wall with a process of chipping, hacking, chisels, hammer drills, grinders, all kinds of tools and equipment to create beautiful textures. As we're removing plaster off of the wall, we're also finding interesting surfaces and interesting paints, cracks, holes, irregularities, years of different treatments on the surface that we allow to come to the fore, and we allow to be part of that. We contrast this with some very gentle and softly toned areas, this lovely baobab tree in the distance, kind of a washed out charcoal look, something you might find in an old sketchbook, and very delicate against the chipping. So we're pulling together contrasts of things that push and pull. You can also see that the water has generally been done in quite an abstract manner, dripping and splashing paint, and then working into that and then chipping over that surface as well. There's another very delicate Mowana tree over there with that interesting abstracted water approach. The textures of these baobab trees are very interesting, and the presence of those textures is quite strongly felt. Again, a contrast to very gentle Mowana trees in the distance, and another very, very textured, large-scale baobab tree. The baobab trees were also required to be authentic for the area and the landscape being quite barren and open. And that's it. Over and out from the Singing Palette Art Company.